You've joined us in Snowdonia. We're back at the cottage. We've invited people to join us tomorrow night. Tonight's Friday. We got here this afternoon just to set up a few things and just to chill out for the night really. So we've got the fire on.
The outside fire.
The outside fire. And I did mention recently that I've got a new cooking utensil, so I'm going to try that. We just went to Costco on the way here and got
48 bottles of red Peroni.
Well, 48 bottles of red Peroni, yes. And a 1.5 kilo ribeye on the bone. So hopefully in an hour or two we're going to be eating one of the best steaks we've ever had because it's cooked over a fire. Here is the beef in question. 1.478 kilos. Should be enough for the two of us, eh? Whoa, that's a hefty meat, that. Mm-hmm. I think it's gone to its lowest limit. At this point I realise I should probably have some tongs ready.
Have you not got any tongs?
In the van. Just do a little bit of an update. Me and Sarah are several beers in.
Maybe not several.
Sarah's quite a lot more beers in than I am. I'm just several. Sarah's literally a crate in.
Alan's had 3, I've had 6.
We are sitting around the campfire and have been for a few hours now. We've got baked potatoes in tin foil on the coals. We've got a big 1.5 kilo steak on the TJM Metalworks fire anchor, mini fire anchor it is. I think I've actually pushed it beyond its limits. I don't think you're meant to put a 1.5 kilo steak on this thing, but to be fair, it's doing a bloody good job. As I mentioned, we've got people joining us tomorrow for an evening at the cottage. 2 of our mates, Dave and Laura, from South Wales, got in there pretty early and said they were interested, and they actually said they were coming to see us tonight. I think they're about 4 hours into a journey, they're still not here. But our steak, it's been cooking at a high level on this fire grate for a while. And now I'm ready to lower it and give it a good old sear.
And we've put 2 spuds on the fire for Dave and Laura just in case they rock up.
Yeah, Dave and Laura have got 2 spuds on the fire just in case they rock up on time. But we've put a couple of social media posts on tonight and a few people have said, are you making a video? This video is going to be crap.
Not that we say anything for our own.
No. None of our other videos are really that professional, to be fair.
And anyone who says we're swingers, yeah we are.
Yeah, we've had a couple of swingers comments. Definitely not. No one would have Sarah.
Fuck.
I don't think we're going to do an awful lot tonight videoing. I don't think we're going to do an awful lot tomorrow videoing. Who knows? We don't plan these fucking things. Anyway, I'm going to season the steak because the fat is rendering really well. I'll just turn my spuds. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Right, we're going to let that rest for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And hopefully it will be amazing. We're on the Northern Monk, Northern Star, chocolate caramel biscuit porter. Right. We're not very good at filming outdoor cooking just yet, but there's a potential we've cooked an extremely good steak. Yeah. There is a bit of pink. It is quite moist. It's not perfect, but when you're cooking over a campfire, you cannot complain. Now, there's big bits of fat because this is ribeye, but that fat is literally like melted butter. Oh, you've brought me beer?
Yep.
Thank you. Ooh.
Alan's beer tastes like crap.
Alan's beer tastes like chocolate coffee.
Crap. So yeah, crap.
This is potentially looking very good. And Dave and Laura, as we mentioned earlier, are running about half an hour behind our estimated cook time.
I'm sure we could leave some.
Shush, you know. They're not going to watch this video, or they might do actually. Oh, there's a lot of meat there. Oh, the sounds. Wait till you hear the sound effects of me eating it.
It's so moist. I mean, that's all that needs to be added to that whole noise effect there.
Moist is exactly what it is. Moist.
Mm-hmm.
Moist is a very descriptive word.
People don't like moist.
People need to embrace moist. Because moist...
We'll cut all this out because he's a bellend. Can I have some?
Go on then. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
God, it's so juicy. Moist.
Succulent.
No, it's moist.
It's succulent.
It's moist.
Shut up.
I'm going to have a go. So what I've done is I've cooked the baked spuds in tin foil in the coals of a fire for about an hour and a half.
Long time.
And they are charred to chuffery on the outside, but literally buttery smooth on the inside. These might be almost as good as the steak. What more can you want after a 90-minute drive and 5 beers?
6.
That's so good. This camera and this light probably won't show the steak as good as it is, but trust me, it's good. It's charred on the outside. There's a nice blushing of pink on the middle. No sauce, no salt, just smoke from the from the wood. So what I did was it's called a reverse sear. I might have mentioned it before. And you cook the steak slowly until it reaches a certain temperature. I think I brought it up to like 34 degrees centigrade internal temperature. I've got a thermometer. And then what you do is you then sear it to about, was it 40 or 50 degrees? I can't remember. Google it if you want to know the temperatures, but I did it right. The baked spud literally melts under the knife. I should open a kitchen. I should run my own restaurant. When I launch my own book, you best be buying it. I've got that spud. It's amazing. The spud is perfect. You don't want to watch us eat anymore, so see you in a bit.